Hello everyone, welcome to Life Science Insider. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a very important notification which is being released by NTA for the examination CSIR-NET, which is being done by this NTA examination. So we are in this website right now, which is by CSIR NTA. So there are some of the public notices that has been released. So let's see what is in the this following kind of public notices. The first, that is most important, the postponement of the joint CSIR-UGC-NET examination June 2024. So they have released this public notice. Let's see what is inside. So this NTA have released this public notice on 21 June 2024. So the subject is postponement of the joint CSIR-UGC-NET examination June 2024. This is a continuation to public notice dated in the 15th June 2024, vide which advance intimation of the examination city allotted to applicants of the joint CSIR-UGC-NET examination June 2024 along with the schedule of examination was informed to the all candidates. So what they are saying right now, that in the 15th June in the public notice, they have told about the advance intimation of the examination cities they have allotted to the students, and also this schedule of the examination they told to the candidates. But what they are doing right now, the candidates are hereby informed that the joint CSIR-UGC-NET examination June 2024, which was scheduled to be held between 25 June 2024 to 27th June, is being postponed due to the unavoidable circumstances as well as the logistic issues. The revised schedule for the conduct of this examination will be announced later through the official website. The candidates are advised to keep visiting the official website. This is the website I'll be giving you for the latest updates. Okay, for any query or the clarification, candidates can call the NTA Help Desk. These are the given numbers, and also they have mentioned their email address, so you can stay connected with them. You can regularly visit this particular website, so you can stay aware of this. So the summary of this video is that CSIR-UGC-NET examination has been cancelled, and it was about to happen at the 25th June to 27th June, but now it is postponed and the new date has not been released. So if you were preparing well, you have to be prepared. You just have to recall again and again, revise again and again. Even if you're feeling anxious, you have to cope up with your feelings. You will clear this examination this time. This is my well wishes for you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and if you do not want to miss any kind of such videos, informative videos or opportunities related to the project or PhD admission or any kind of the things, or even the faculty recruitments, so you please consider this channel to be subscribed. Have a good day.